Hello everyone, this is the from Refund Technology, and we have the new control box with two valve, with only two valve, because the traditional halogen swimming pool light also have two valve, so we just have the two valve to control with the control box, with the Wi-Fi control and remote control and touch control. These three functions with one box, and all our light also have the switch on off function. So the control box can transfer the control box mode to switch on off mode with this control box. They have the black button here. Okay, so I will test how it works. This is the control box function. You can see that. Yeah, 你的
二啊，
对，按快一点就行，按快点，按快一点就行。They have 16 laps here. So they can synchronize very well. Okay. Now this can also choose with the remote. And also we can use the mobile phone to control this.这我的手机用吧手机，这个英文版。
你是吧
This is Xiaomi and also Huawei, Apple. We can use all this. Open the, we can check the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name is RF Gangpu. Choose this one. And the password is 128. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Actually, this password is for every control box with this password. Okay, now you can see we have a link, right? Okay. Open the website with the website with the link. It's 192.168.4.1. Okay. Enter. Okay. This is control version with English. Okay. And we can use this mobile phone control at least 60 meters. 60 meters. 对，然后这个到窗户那边去，一直点开关嘛。We can go very far. To test this control box. Very far, very long distance. So the vehicle is go outside. This distance at least 60 meters. Okay, you can see. I will check how long is it. Hello 吗？有信号啊？有没有信号啊？ 小徐让开。看到吗？
嗯？怎么不亮啊？亮了，这里。
You can see the light with this button, and here is 60 meter. Right, and control is very well. 先你到上面去。我叫你，你看一下，就看一下有没有信号 ，WiFi 有没有信号。关，现在是开，关，不要走那么快，走慢一点，关。不是，现在关，有信号没有？没有了是吧？那就有啊，开了，按关，按关。你看一下你手机。关，现在按关，一直按，一直按关。没了，有没有信号？看一下，你给我看一下。
看两个。
You can see they still have the signal, right? Right. Okay. Anyway, it's very long distance. I think the control, 可以了。The control box have the good function with 2 valves. The traditional bulb is also two way. So lots of customer need this control box with the Wi-Fi remote. Anyway, it's very long. And can synchronize all the light underwater inbound light and swimming pool light. You see? So this light also have the switch on off our default mode. This is the control mode. So we will transfer. 不用动。So we will transfer this is control box function to a switch on off function with this button. You can press this button and this yellow LED is flash. Okay. Now the light has changed with this switch on off mode. I will have changed with this switch on off mode. Just use the power on off to control them. Power on off control them. Our default mode is this switch on off mode. So after turn off this is the default mode. So we will you can transfer yourself to this control box function. Also, just turn on the light and press this button in 3 seconds. So it works, right? It works. Okay. RGB, yeah. So it works. To control mode transfer.